Dear Gary, the last 6 months have been quite an adventure planning a COVID-19 wedding. But we did it. Our wedding day is finally here. I can't wait to stand under the chuppah with you
as my husband.
Today,
Today, as we start a new adventure as husband and wife, I want you to know my heart is overflowing with love and gratitude for you.
What glued us together are the core values we share and our supportive nature. You help me see past all the small, insignificant things and focus on the big picture and what's important in life. It's easy to connect during good times, but true bond is built during hardships. I've seen how determined you are when things are thrown from different directions and obstacles never seem to end. You keep the goal in mind and follow through despite constant barriers. Your resolve is what inspires me and gives me strength.
You're kind, thoughtful, supportive, and you always know what to say to make me laugh. You accept and love me at my best and my worst, and you make me happier than I ever thought I could be. Gary, you are the love of my life, and I promise to let you know that every day. I promise to support you, accept you, and always be there for you. I am so incredibly grateful we found each other, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
How you feeling?
Great.
Okay. You're the second most important person here today. You know, the Jewish people have always cared about the rights of women. Women have rights in marriage, and when we get married, we promise them these things. It's not a one-way street, but this document here outlines basically your responsibilities as a husband to your wife.
There's something that Adam and Eve had that's very special. You see, Adam never looked at Eve and said, maybe I should have married someone else. Eve never said, I should have listened to my mother. Adam knew that Eve is the only one for him. Eve knew, regardless if Adam takes the garbage out or not, he's the one for me. He's the only one. And so too we bless the bride and groom, that today you have both your souls, two halves of the soul coming together. You were meant for each other from the day you were born, and now you come in and create this one beautiful soul.
Haray at mikudeshet li b'tzibat zo kedat Moshe Yisrael.
Behold, you are betrothed to me.
You are betrothed to me
According to the laws
according to the laws
of Moses and Israel.
of Moses and Israel.
You are a special couple with a real, beautiful connection. It is inspiring to see you absorb all of the ideas and the wisdom of our ancestors, our sages, and how you just take so naturally to all these things. You're spiritually connected and you're grounded. You're lofty and you're practical. And may you always maintain that look in each other's eyes. When you look at each other today, whatever road that God puts out for you, always remember how you're looking at each other now. Mazel tov.